live centre I got given to me, and it's very old. It's one clean, rough sand paper. I give it a nice smooth fine paper. For the age of it, they know that it's 75 to 80 years of age. It could be older. Look at the nice stuff that's cleaned up. It was going to end up in the scrap. As I showed in my last tape on it, I have it clean and grey. Now this is one clean with the emery paper for a tool that is 75, 80 years of age. I will clean with fine emery now to see how it turns out.
This is part 2.
It's a shame to see this end up in the scrap.
Part 2. Now, this is it, starting to clean up nicely for the age of it. Yes. Fine emery now should clean it nicely.
Now, it has to be done very lightly, for it's a live sander and it would just stop. So you do it lightly, very lightly. Let it clean up. Look at that. So wouldn't that be a shame to let that end up in the scrap? At the age of it, you could back 30, 80 years. A drop of oil around it. So clean it up.
Starting to look very nice. Old tools sometimes are still the best.
I look at that for it says, look how free that is running, how nicely she cleaned up. I know it's a Morse 6, but for to end up in a pile of scrap, it would be a shame. That is lovely and free. It is well greased, cleaned, well greased, oiled, without stripping it all down. Either it was well looked after or it didn't do an awful lot of work.
Looks pretty good.
Right, here it is. Give it a little bit of oiling before putting it away. For future references. Keep it oiled.
Now that's it oiled, ready for storing. It may come in handy for someone.
Right. This is where it's going to be left. There's something, I think I showed it in another video I got given to me, to make something out of it. But that's where it will be staying. That's the second tailstock, this split chucks. Here is other stuff in it, and this container is a back plate, 3 sets of chuck jaws. These are of a large 3-jaw chuck I done up. So it's handy for keeping the stuff for the lead.
Now, this is part 2 of restoring this live center and storing it. It may come in handy for someone, or if not, it'll not take any hurt staying in the drawers of the lathe. Better than ending up in a scrap heap. This is part 2, as I say, of doing it. Look out for part 1 where I greased it, oiled it. This is Ben. Thanks for watching.